Welcome students in the online teaching of St. Thomas School. We have already started Unit 2, Man's Relationship with Animals. Activity 2, A Secret for Two. Let us move further. Pierre would call softly to Joseph, "Go on, my friend," and this splendid combination would stalk proudly down the street. Here, Pierre says softly, very gently, to Joseph, "Let's go, my friend. Let's move." And this combination means the relation of Pierre and Joseph would stalk proudly down the street. Here, stalk down means walk down to leave the street, to skip the street. The wagon, without any direction from Pierre, would arrive in Prince Edward Street. The wagon or the cart, without any direction from Pierre, directly, without pulling rein, would reach to Prince Edward Street. The horse would stop at the first house, allow Pierre perhaps 30 seconds to get down from his seat and put a bottle of milk at the front door. When they will go to give milk, at that time, horse named Joseph would stop at the first house. The horse allows Pierre around 30 seconds to get down from his seat to keep the bottle of milk out of the house in front of the door. Again, the horse would go on, skipping 2 houses and stopping at the third. Again, the horse would go on, would go ahead, skipping or leaving 2 houses and stopping out third house for giving milk. So down the length of the street, the 2 would go. Likewise, they both will go to give the milk. Then Joseph would turn around and come back along the other side of the street. Yes, Joseph was really a smart horse. So after giving milk to one side, while coming back other side also, the horse would give milk to the people, those who stay in the street. So both sides of the street, Joseph would stop and give the milk. Means Joseph will stop at the exact place and Pierre will give milk. So this shows Joseph was really or indeed a smart and clever horse. At the stables, Pierre would boast of Joseph's skill. "I never touch the reins. He knows just where to stop. Why, a blind man could do my job with Joseph pulling the wagon." Means at the stable, when people will come, Pierre would say some appreciated words very proudly about the skill of Joseph, that how he stops at the exact place for giving milk. He says, "I never touch rein. He knows just where to stop." Means without touching or pulling the rein, Joseph knows where to stop because of his skill. The work which Pierre does, even blind man also could do by getting down and give milk from the cart or wagon. So it went on for years. Likewise, it continued for years. Pierre and Joseph grew old together, but gradually, not suddenly. Both Pierre and Joseph both became aged, but slowly, not suddenly, not immediately. Pierre's huge vulturous mustache was pure white now, and Joseph didn't lift his knees so high. Means Pierre's big, long, and thick mustache has become pure white now. Besides, Joseph couldn't lift his knee higher because both have become old now. Jack, the foreman of the stables, never noticed that they were getting old until Pierre appeared one day carrying a big walking stick. Jack was the foreman, a head worker of the stable. He noticed that now Joseph and Pierre were becoming old because one day he saw Pierre appeared. One day, Pierre walking with the stick. "Hey, Pierre!" Jack laughed. "Maybe you have got the gout, hey?" Jack laughed and asked Pierre, "Have you got the gout?" Gout means a kind of disease. "Have you got any disease? Are you infected?" "Yes, Jack," replied Pierre uncertainly. "But as one grows old, legs get tired." Jack replied uncertainly, unclearly, but positively. And he added, "When someone becomes old, his legs would be tired." "You should teach the horse to place the milk bottles at the front door of your customers," Jack said to him. "He does everything else for you." So Jack said to Pierre, "You should teach your horse how to keep bottle of milk in front of the customer's house. He can do anything what you say." One morning, the manager of the milk company came to inspect the early morning deliveries. One morning, the manager of the milk company visited the company to check the early morning deliveries or supply of milk. Pointing out to Pierre, Jack said to him, "Watch how he talks to that horse whom he calls Joseph." Jack showed Pierre to manager and said, "See how Pierre talks to Joseph with his eyes gesture. I think these two share a secret." Then he said that he thought there is some secret between these two. Sometimes they seem to chuckle at us as they go off on their route in the morning. Then he said that sometime they both chuckle, they both smile or laugh at each other when they start their route for milk deliveries, like something they are hiding from us. Pierre is a good man, but he is getting old. Pierre is a very good man, but now he has become old. Don't you think he should be retired and given a small pension? He said to manager, Don't you think we should make him retire? We should give him rest and give him small pension as a compliment? So here is the end of today's session. Remaining part we shall see in next session. Okay? Goodbye. Thank you very much.